some of the important formulae related to trigonometric ratios. Can you say how many trigonometric ratios are there? 1, 2, 3. How many? It's not 1, 2 or 3. It's 6. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. How? Do you know it? So let's know it today. So what are the sides of right angle triangle? If reference angle is theta, as shown in the figure there, then P, B and H are the sides of right angle triangle. Now can you tell me what are the possible ratios from these three sides? Let's see it. So possible ratios are P by B is one ratio, then we get P by H, then we get B by H, then reciprocal of this becomes B by P, reciprocal of this becomes H by P, and reciprocal of this ratio becomes H by B. So count how many ratios has become? 6. And these ratios have their special names. Like P by B, we call it as tangent, in short form tan. P by H, we call it as sine, S-I-N-E, in short form sine, S-I-N. B by H, we call it as cosine, in short we say cos, C-O-S. Since B by P is reciprocal of tan, so it's cotangent. In short form we say is C-O-T. H by P is reciprocal of sine, so it is cosecant. In short form we say cosec, and reciprocal of cos is secant. In short form we say sec. So sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. There are altogether 6 trigonometric ratios. Now let's see the trick to remember this formula. Let's write sine, cos and tan. Let's give divide sign, and remember the local trick is Pandit for P, Badri for B, Prasad for P, Hari for H, Hari for H, Bol for B, Sona for S, Chandi for C, Tol for T. So it's Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Hari, Bol, Sona, Chandi, Tol. So in various language or styles you can remember this formula. You can also remember this formula from English version, that is some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. So some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. So by this phrase you can easily learn by heart the relation of sine, cos and tan in terms of P, B and H. And as you know, reciprocal of sine is cosec, whose formula is H by P. Reciprocal of cos is sec, whose formula is H by B. And reciprocal of tan is cot, whose formula is B by P. Now let's go to the formula of trigonometric relations. So formula number 1, sine theta into cosec theta equals to 1. From here, two other formula we can get, that is sine theta equals to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta equals to 1 by sine theta. This can be proved like this. Sine theta formula is P by H, cosec is H by P. If you multiply and cancel these terms, then you will get 1. So this formula has come this way. Similarly, whatever other formula that I am going to give, these all can be verified by this PBH relation. So formula number 2, cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. From here also we get two formula, that is cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta and sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Similarly we get tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. From here we get tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta and cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. These 1 number, 2 number, 3 number formulae are called reciprocal relations of trigonometric ratios. Now let's go to the Pythagoras relation formula of trigonometric ratios. We have 4 number formula is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From here we get 4 different formula, that is sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Then if you take the root we get sine theta equals to root under 1 minus cos square theta. Then we get C number is cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. And last D number is cos theta equals to root under 1 minus sine square theta. Similarly, we get 5 number formula as sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From here we get sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Sec theta is root under 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan square theta, if goes that side becomes positive, then 1 comes this side, then we get sec square theta minus 1. And last D number is tan theta equals to root under sec square theta minus 1. Similarly, we get 6th number formula as cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Its A number will be cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. B number we get is cosec theta equals to root under 1 plus cot square theta. C number we get is cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. And D number, the formula becomes cot theta equals to root under cosec square theta minus 1. So this formula, 4 number, 5 number and 6 number, these formulae are called Pythagoras relation formula. Okay. Then we get 7 number formula as tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta, and 8 number formula as cot theta equals to cos theta upon sin theta. So these are the important formula that you need in trigonometric ratios.